If you've ever flown a drone before, you know the drill. You're staring at a screen, managing thumbs on joysticks, worrying about gimbal angles, and trying to capture a massive landscape through a tiny rectangular window. It always feels like you're operating a camera that just happens to be in the sky. But what if a drone wasn't built to just show you the world from above? What if it was built to let you step inside and see all around you? This is the AntiGravity A1. It's a brand new platform incubated by Insta360, weighing in at under 249 grams. But forget the specs for a second, this isn't a competition with the drones you already know, it's an upgrade to your entire perspective. Traditional flight is about capturing the view, the A1 is all about experiencing it. Now, if you've been watching this platform and waiting for the absolute perfect moment to pull the trigger, that moment is now. Today kicks off Amazon Prime Day, and AntiGravity has rolled out their biggest sale of the year. For a limited time, they are slashing up to 25% off on the AntiGravity A1, bringing the entry price down to its lowest point since it launched. Plus, all official accessories are 20% off if you want to expand your kit. I have dropped my official affiliate link at the very top of the description below if you want to grab the world's first 8K 360 drone at an absolute steal before summer adventures kick into full gear. Click that link below to lock in the best price before Prime Day ends. Unboxing the AntiGravity A1 Explorer bundle feels exactly like opening a premium piece of high-end design. Everything is meticulously organized, minimalist, and built with purpose. Inside the sleek carrying case, you're greeted by the drone itself, and lifting it up, it's mind-blowing how feather light this thing is at just under 249 grams. Then you have the stars of the show, the incredibly sleek vision goggles and the minimalist grip motion controller. But before you can actually enjoy the drone and head outside, there is a specific ritual you need to follow to get everything ready for its first flight. First, all the batteries. The A1 Flight Pack, the Vision battery, and the grip controller all arrive in a deep sleep mode. They need to be activated, so the second you connect them to an external power source, they instantly get unlocked. From there, you'll want to download the AntiGravity app, pair it with your gear, and run the initial firmware upgrades, which takes about 30 minutes. Finally, you want to make sure those top and bottom lenses are absolutely spotless. Even a tiny fingerprint smudge can throw off the 360-degree image stitching later, so be very careful with that. But once the lenses are clean and the batteries are topped up, you're ready to head outside. The magic starts the second you slide on these Vision goggles. Inside, you're met with a massive industry-leading micro OLED displays powered by Pancake optics. It genuinely feels like sitting in front of a flawless 200-inch HDR10+ cinema screen. But it's the only proprietary 360 omnidirectional transmission that breaks the mold. It streams a real-time ultra-low latency 360-degree view straight into your eyes. When you turn your head to look left, the view shifts left. Look down, you see the ground dropping away from you. With standard FPV drones, your view is locked into a rigid flight path. You have to fly where you look. The A1 completely separates your viewing angle from your flying direction. You can soar perfectly straight across a river or over a canyon cliffside while your head turns freely to explore the horizon. That's what the A1 does. You transition from a passive observer staring at a screen to an active participant inside your environment. It's aerial travel redefined. Now, if the idea of wearing goggles and flying sounds intimidating, that's where the engineering team did something brilliant here. They threw away the traditional complex dual-stick controller and introduced FreeMotion control. There's no steep learning curve here. You hold this grip controller, aim it like a laser pointer, and pull the trigger. The A1 moves exactly where you point. It turns complex aerodynamics into human gestures. So intuitive that you stop thinking about how to fly. sky, and you just focus on where to go. And if you want to share that thrill, you use a feature called SkyPath. You can map out a precise autonomous flight route in your goggles, hit start, and then hand the headset over to a friend or family member. While the drones smoothly handle the navigation, they get to experience the pure rush of looking around in full 360 up in the air. It turns what used to be a solitary pilot's hobby into a shared experience. Let's talk about the content, because shooting in 8K 360 opens up absolute creative freedom. First off, the drone is completely invisible. The lenses are masterfully positioned at the absolute top and bottom of the chassis. Combined with the Insta360's advanced stitching algorithm, the drone completely deletes itself from the footage. No propellers, no landing gear photobombing your shot, just flawless floating camera perspective. But the real superpower for creators is the philosophy of fly first, frame later. With the traditional setup, you miss the perfect framing mid-flight. Your shot is ruined, your battery drains while you loop back for a retake, but with the Antigravity A1, you capture literally everything around you in one single take. Missed the sunset on your right because you were tracking a path to your left? Just rewind the footage in post-production and reframe it. One flight fuels infinite edits. You can extract a classic 16:9 cinematic landscape for YouTube and a vertical 9:16 reel for shorts from the exact same file, with unrestricted roll and tilt rotations for buttery smooth camera movements. If editing 360 footage sounds time-consuming to you, the app features an AI-powered auto edit. It intelligently scans your flights, flags the most dynamic moments, applies cinematic camera sweeps, and matches it to music flawlessly. It's perfect for the days when you just want to fly for the pure joy of it, letting the software handle the story creation later. They've also anchored this high-end experience with incredibly smart safety features. Because the drone's nose automatically tracks the direction of your grip controller, every move is a straight line forward. That allowed them to place two hyper-accurate front sensors that deliver complete 360 horizontal obstacle avoidance. Even the hardware is thoughtful. The landing gear automatically deploys when powered on to keep that bottom 360 lens in pristine condition and off the dirt. It retracts the second you take off and extends when you're landing. If you ever clip something, the A1 introduces a fully replaceable lens design. You just pop the damaged element out and snap a fresh one in no time. So the Antigravity A1 offers up to 24 minutes of flight on a standard pack or up to 39 minutes on high-capacity battery. But remember, on a 360 drone, flight time is incredibly efficient because you never waste battery circling back for a second take. One flight captures every single angle. It's ultra lightweight at 249 grams, meaning it's regulatory compliant almost anywhere you want to explore. And it packs away beautifully into a minimalist sling bag. This is just day one with the A1. We're doing a full series diving deep into advanced flight techniques, cinematic reframing workflows, and real-world adventures with this platform. If you want to experience the sky differently, I've left the official links below in the description. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next flight. Let me know what you want to see this drone tackle next in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, see ya.